Let's solve this exponential equation. Well, the first problem we have is that our bases are not the same. Remember, they have to be the same before we can make the exponents each equal to each other. So let's look at 16. I know that 4 squared is 16. So what I'm going to do is, instead of writing 16, I'm going to write 4 squared, and then it's still to the x. So the other side, we still have 4x squared minus 8. Now, when I have a power to a power, we multiply. So we're going to have 4x squared minus 8 equals 4 to the 2x. Well, now we have the same base. Now we can make the exponents equal to each other. So we're going to have x squared minus 8 equals 2x. We want it to equal 0 because we're trying to solve. So I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. So x squared minus 2x minus 8 equals 0. Well, we have to factor. So we have to think of things that multiply to negative 8 that also adds to negative 2. Well, I know that negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. And negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2. So we did it. Here are our magic numbers. So we're going to have minus 4 times x plus 2 equals 0. Everything with an x we're going to make equal to 0. So x minus 4 equals 0, x plus 2 equals 0. We're going to add 4 to both sides, so x equals 4. We're going to subtract 2 from both sides, so x equals negative 2. And let's check it. Let's see if we're right. So we have 4 to the x squared minus 8, so I'm going to put 4 squared minus 8. And that should equal 16 to the 4th power. Oh my goodness. Well, we're going to have 4 to the 16 minus 8. Well, 16 minus 8 is 8, so we have 4 to the 8th equals, now remember, 16 is 4 squared. So 4 squared to the 4th is, look at that, 4 to the 8th equals 4 to the 8th. We didn't even need our calculator for that one. Let's try negative 2. So we're going to have 4 to the negative 2 squared minus 8 equals 16 to the negative 2. Let's keep solving here. So 4, negative 2 squared is 4 minus 8. So 4 minus 8 is negative 4. Well, 16, we've talked about a couple times now, is 4 squared. So 16 is 4 squared to the negative 2. When we have a power to a power, we multiply, so we end up with 4 to the negative 4. So we did it. Yep. These are our two solutions, and we're awesome.